Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Manish Garg, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, working at Government College Adwala, Bilaspur, District Yamunanagar, Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra. Today I am going to teach you the topic of mathematics, which is binary operation, and about group with some example. First, I am explaining about binary operation. You can see this slide on screen. Binary operation. First, what is binary operation? बाइनरी ऑपरेशन लेट जी बी ए सेट सेट के बारे में आप सभी जानते होंगे सेट इज ए वेल डिफाइंड कलेक्शन ऑफ homogeneous element in a set you have to put homogeneous element that has some meaning. For example, we talk about set of integer, set of natural number starts from 1 goes to infinite, set of integer that include positive as well as negative numbers. But if we talk about 10 best batsmen in the world, that is not a set because that is not well defined. You can't say you can pick up top 10 batsmen out of the world, because if a batsman perform well in a particular match, then that batsman is best for that particular match. So you can't select 10 top 10 best batsmen in the world. So let G be a set. A binary operation on G is a function, then assign each ordered pair of elements of G an element of G. It means a binary operation is an operation, you can say it a function, and it is applied between two elements of any set, then result will be the element of that set. I will explain this with an example. In a set of natural number, I already told you what is set of natural number. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Integers, what are integers? Integers include positive numbers as well negative numbers, also includes 0. Rational numbers, what are rational numbers? Rational numbers are those numbers which are in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0. Real numbers, all numbers except complex numbers are in the category of real numbers. Then complex numbers, complex numbers, what are the complex numbers? Set of complex number is a set which consists of the numbers of the form of a plus iota b. So in these sets, set of natural number, integers, rational numbers, real numbers, and complex numbers, usual addition and multiplication are binary operation. I will explain this point with an example. You can take any two natural numbers, add them or multiply them. The result will be a natural number. You can take any two integers. You can apply integer addition or multiplication sign between these two integers. The result will be an integer. In a set of natural numbers, subtraction and division are not binary operation. This is the main point. If you take any two natural number, for example, we take 4 and 5, and I might put minus sign between 4 and 5, then what is 4 minus 5? Minus 1. Minus 1 is not a natural number. Similarly, we take two natural number 4 and 5. If I divide 4 by 5, then 4 by 5 is not a natural number. So this is about binary operation. Next we talk about group. What is group? Group, let G be a set. I already explained the definition of set. Together with a binary operation that assign to each ordered pair AB of the element of G in G denoted by AB. We say Z is a group under this binary operation if the following properties are satisfied. Some properties are given below. If these properties satisfied, then we said that set with that defined binary operation will be group. First property, वैसे we have first property as is a closure property, but that is covered by the definition of binary operation. So we started with the second property, which is associated property. Associativity means if you take any three numbers from that set G, we take ABC, and we apply the operation between first two and A and B, and then apply that result with C, that answer will be same if we apply the operation between last two element B and C, and result will be applied with A. So this is the associative property. We take any three element and apply the binary operation between first two element, either between last two operation, then result will be same. And second property is there exists an element E identity in G such that AE is equal to EA is equal to A for all A belongs to G. What it means? It means there must exist a element from that set G. We call that element as identity element and denoted by small e. We apply the operation between any element of the set G and that e, which is denoted as identity element, then result will be same is equal to A. Means that element does not affect any element of the set, then that element is said to be the identity element of the set. And third property is inverse. What is inverse? For each element of A in G, there is an element of B in G such that AB is equal to BA is equal to identity. Means for every element there must exist an element with, if we apply the operation between A and B, then result will be the identity element. Clear? These are the necessary properties, essential properties. We have another property, that is if a group satisfies commutative property. Commutative means if AB is equal to BA for all AB is equal belongs to G, then that set is denoted by a special name, is said to be abelian group. So in abelian group we have some extra properties named as commutative property. Now I explain the concept of group with some examples. The first example is the set of integers z, the set of rational number, and the set of real number are all groups under ordinary addition, and identity is 0 and inverse of an element A is minus A. Clear? You take set of rational number, you take set of integer, you set of real numbers, you apply if you take binary operation as addition, then every element, for example we have 4, then inverse will be minus 4, and as an identity 0 will be the identity element of these sets under the binary operation plus, because if we add 0 to any element, that does not affect that element. We have second example there, the subset 1 minus 1 iota minus iota. You all know that this is the subset of complex numbers, is an abelian group under complex multiplication. You can apply multiplication between in any these four elements, you will realize that all the properties will be satisfied, and this will be make a group of four element under the multiplication. Third example, we have a set S in which we take all the 2 cross 2 matrices whose determinant is not equal to 0. This forms a non-abelian group, means all the three properties associativity, identity and inverse will be satisfied. In this set, in this group, identity element will be identity matrix 1 0 0 1, because we take that matrices whose determinant is not equal to 0, so inverse will be exist, or this will be a group and of 2 cross 2 matrices over the set of real number under the binary operation multiplication. Similarly, the set of integer except 0 under the ordinary multiplication is not a group, since inverse of an element x that not equal to 1 minus 1 does not exist. Is it clear? If we take 4 among set of integer, that inverse will be 1 by 4, that is not an element of integer. Thank you so much.